In today's video, I'll teach you how to use outfit code in Roblox. First of all, launch open Roblox. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you have any outfit code and if you want to use it, it is actually very simple. You'll be able to use it in a specific game called Catalog Avatar Creator. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply type in Catalog Avatar Creator. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is simply find this experience for Catalog Avatar Creator. Click on the play icon. Now after you do that, you can see over here you've entered the experience. So if you want to use the outfit code, what you have to do is click on this option, Community Outfits, that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to find various options over here. Simply click on any category of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on this option, most popular. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the outfits over here. So if you have the outfit code and if you want to use it, simply click on this option, outfit code. Now after you do that, you'll be able to enter the outfit code over here. Simply enter the code that you have. Now once you do that, press enter. Now you can see over here the outfit will load. You can simply wear this outfit if you want. So like this, you'll be able to use the outfit code. So that is how you use outfit code in Roblox. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.